Today I'm going to show you this Venom X22GT 250cc motorcycle. This is a fully automatic motorcycle, fully automatic, and it's a full-size bike. I'm going to give you a quick little walk around the bike just so you can see the full finish of it. You'll notice that it's only available in the midnight black color. That gives it a nice matte black finish to the paint. Got the beautiful eagle eye headlight in the front. You'll see it in a couple moments as soon as I fire up the bike. The most talked about and the most hyped up feature about the bike is the fully automatic motor. That's mounted right to the rear wheel. Giving a quick dive into the front, you got a big 17-inch full-size tire with a dual front disc brakes. You'll also notice that the turn signals are actually integrated right into the plastic fairing right there. Got your driver foot pegs right here, which are foldable. And you also have rear passenger foot pegs over here. Got a comfortable seat for a passenger and then the seat for the driver. Got a large 4-gallon gas tank in there. The rear suspension is fully adjustable. These are air shocks in the rear. License plate holder and rear brake light with your license plate tail light as well. It's a powerful 250cc motor, very easy to work on. That is mounted right to the rear wheel, making it easy for maintenance, oil changes. Let me turn on the front lights for you. So I'll have to fire up the bike. I'm going to show you a quick look at the instrument cluster right here, the front dash. As soon as you turn it over, all the lights will turn on. It'll give you a fuel gauge, your top speed, the time, and your odometer. On the right hand side, you got your kill switch button and the electric start. On the left hand side, you got your passing lights. You got your high beams and low beams, your signal lights, and a horn. Turn on the bike, you want to hold one of the brakes, press the fire button. This is fully automatic, so I can't rev it up. As soon as I twist it, it will go. It's got a lot of torque. Show you the front end of the bike. See the beautiful eagle eye lights. It's a fully automatic X22GT. This is a twist throttle and go. Once you twist the throttle, it will go. I don't want to give it too much. Just wanted to give you a quick little sound. But this is it, the 250 automatic. Street legal.